Hello there, it's Diorama Don here once more. Welcome everybody. This is just a quickie, and we all like a quickie now and again. So you've made your building. I've made this very quickly just for demonstration purposes, but whatever building you've made, then you need a roof. So I've put the roof on 2mm cardboard, and now we need to make it look much more realistic. I've made a video in the past of how to make a slate roof, so should you need that, then please refer to that video. But this is going to be a tiled roof, or a pan-tiled roof, such as you might see in southern Europe. So if you're doing a military diorama to include Italy maybe, then this is the kind of roof you need. So I'm using corrugated cardboard, that's all. I just happen to have this white corrugated cardboard by me, and I've cut into 5/8 strips, 17mm, and I shall put these on there with the grooves lined up, so they will look like individual pan tiles, like so. Okay, I'll go ahead and stick all those on and then trim the sides up with a pair of scissors, and we'll go from there. Okay, so stuck my strips of corrugated cardboard, used hot melt glue, nice and easy, and then trim the sides up. For the tiles on the top, just an ordinary drinking straw, rough the surface to take the waxiness away for when you want to paint. Not easy to paint as they are, so just rough the surface up and then it won't be a problem. Stick a cocktail stick through the middle and then cut all the way down like so, so that and then cut to 18mm, 3/4 of an inch, or however long you want each tile to be, and then open it up and it will stick over the ridge tile. So all I need to do is give it a paint and make it look a bit more roofy, and we'll see what it looks like then. Okay, so all finished. All I did was give it a spray of red primer, or red oxide, the stuff you would use to prevent rusting on metal, easily available. And then I gave it just a dry brushing of burnt sienna. Is it? I never know the difference between umber and sienna. Yeah, burnt sienna, which is about the colour of pan tiles. So it could be improved on with a little bit more dry brushing, bit of white, bit of black, but in general that's a reasonably good pan tiled roof. So if you need any roofs on your buildings, nice and easy to do. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, click that like button and subscribe, and you'll be informed when new videos come along. In the meantime, have a go, let me know how you get on, and if you do, I wish you the very best of modelling.